Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting tutorial of Creatnprocess, and in today's video we are back with a new logo design, and this logo represents two key features. In the upper portion you can see there is a hand holding a pencil, so that represents some creative ideas, and in the lower you can see there is a small piece of like a magnet, so that represents attraction. So overall this logo can be used in creative field as well as in educational field. So to design this logo we follow three steps. First we create the rounded corner square using our rounded rectangle tool. Second, we create the hand that is holding a pencil with our very basic simple steps. And third and finally, we create that magnetic portion. So to design this logo, let's begin the tutorial. So let's take the rounded rectangle tool, left click your mouse button, and here you can see the palette here, rounded rectangle palette, and in this keep the width around 100 by height around 100 and keep it locked, and here we will keep this around 40 points and click OK. So you got a nice rounded square. Now the second thing, we'll create one more step, so just click one more, and here keep it 100 by 100, and here we'll change this to 30. Now you got two squares. So this one is 40 points round corner and this one is 30 point round corner. So this one we'll be using this inside the earlier one. So we'll keep it in the center like that, intersecting the center. So and let's change the color, it's to white like that. So after that we'll just scale this down a little bit and we'll duplicate this like this and place it below this in such a way that the thickness is overlapped like that. Now we'll duplicate this one and place it there and change its color to something else so that we can work out with our hand. So we're creating this hand using this rounded corner square. So let's zoom it in, and now take a rectangle tool, and from this click with the Alt pressed and just click and drag your mouse, and you can see you got a nice balanced rectangle here. We'll just make it like this much length. This is good. Now once you get that, we can see, we'll just check out how much thickness we want our pencil to be though. So this is our pencil thickness like that. So now the next thing is we'll use the line segment tool, and from here, from the center with the Alt press, just click and drag, and with shift you can make it aligned with shift press like this. Make it a little bit longer, and let's change the stroke color to white like that, and let's increase the thickness to around 5, and let's duplicate this with Alt press, just click and drag and place it in an equal balance. The gap between the two should be equal. So in the same way we'll duplicate one more and place it there like that. So we got that. Now we'll select all the line segments and go to object and expand it. So the reason why we are expanding is because we need this in object form so that we can subtract it from the this design which is lower. Now we'll click OK, and it's all in object form now. Now duplicate this center one, Ctrl C and paste it in front, Ctrl F, and with the shift press just rotate it to a 90-degree angle. Now place this in such a way that these lines, this line is coinciding to each other like this. Bring it there, and you can see they are aligned to each other. In the same way, duplicate it one more and bring it on the other side like that. Now once we have got that, we'll do one more. Duplicate this, Ctrl C, Ctrl F, scale it down with the Alt press, just scale it down a little and bring it here and just tilt it to an 90-degree angle. Now place it here. See that like that. Now once we have done all of this, we'll first select this pencil's rectangle and this one and just combine it. So go to Pathfinder and just combine it so that this will be one object. Now we'll select all of them and deselect that lower object. Now we have selected only these white pieces which we have created now, and just go to shape builder and we'll do some little adjustment. So we'll see which part we need to remove, so we'll just click on those parts. So we'll select this, we'll duplicate, we'll remove this. We need to remove this portion. We need to remove this, we need to remove this, so these all three will be removed. And let's see what else we need to remove this. Yeah, we click already that, so that's all. Now let's check out. We'll just select that. First select all the pieces and ungroup it, and now delete this. You can delete this, so you can see that we can delete this, we can delete this. So here we go, we got that. Now select all, deselect this, combine it, and from here select everything and subtract it. So we got that. Now last thing, with the pen tool we'll just add one anchor point here. Before that, just select that object, and with the pen tool just in the center just click one anchor point, and with the direct selection tool just select these points and just push it up so that it form like a pencil end point. And now once you get that, you can see we got the pencil and hand, everything. Now we'll just bring it there properly and delete the low one, and this one fill it with white color. Now one thing, we'll add some hand part here, so we'll use the rectangle from there, from the center. With the alt press just make it big, and done. Now select this, just combine it, so you got the nice hand effect. Now last thing, we'll select this, combine it, and we'll do one more step here. From this center, with the line segment, we'll draw a line segment with alt press and shift like this. So draw the line segment like this, and go to object, path, and divide object below, and this will divide the whole object. So we'll delete this, and we are left with this. So subtract it from the main, so everything is subtracted. Now we need one division here, so from this point with the shift press just drag out and make one, and go to object, path, and just divide object below. So we got a division here. So select these pieces and fill up with this gray color. With our picker we'll just select that gray color and rest select, and this is the color which we need. Now once we have got everything, we'll just scale this up a little bit like that. Now finally we are left with our text, so let's add up the text. With the T pressed we can type out our alphabets. That's ARTMAG, and the font which we are using is Gumroad Pro, which you can see I have already written over there, and we'll be working with the character palette. And here the distance between two alphabets we are giving around 1500 points, and you can increase the size of the characters, that's the alphabet. And here we will do one more stuff. We'll select these and change the font thickness to bold, and after that it's done. Now select this, with the eye picker select this color, make it glitter gray, and place it properly in their positions. You can just scale it down a little bit like that, and finally we added the text, and we have completed designing the logo. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to check out the next tutorial coming up, and if you want more updates on designing, you can press the subscribe button, and if you like this video you can press that small like button below. That means a lot. Thank you.